As a language model developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT has made significant strides in natural language processing and conversation generation. While ChatGPT was designed to assist in customer service, it has the potential to replace certain jobs in various fields. In this video, we will explore which jobs ChatGPT might replace. Number 1. Customer service representatives. Chatbots have already been used in many customer service industries, such as retail and technology. As ChatGPT continues to improve, it is likely that more businesses will adopt it to answer frequently asked questions, troubleshoot issues, and resolve customer complaints. For most businesses, the temptation to save on cost will be too great to resist, and they will likely choose a machine over a human. This may lead to a decrease in the need for human customer service representatives. Number 2. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants are used to complete tasks such as scheduling appointments, making reservations, and answering questions. While human virtual assistants offer personalized service, ChatGPT can perform similar tasks at a much lower cost. In fact, for certain tasks that don't require too much human input, ChatGPT might even do a better job. As a result, businesses may choose to use ChatGPT as a virtual assistant instead of hiring a human. Number 3. Data entry professionals. ChatGPT can be programmed to recognize and categorize data, such as sales reports or customer surveys. This eliminates the need for human data entry professionals, who are responsible for inputting data into a system. ChatGPT can save time and money by performing this task more quickly and accurately than a human, as it is less prone to make data entry mistakes and can do the job potentially faster. Number 4. Receptionists. Many businesses employ receptionists to answer calls and direct visitors to the appropriate departments. ChatGPT can perform similar tasks by answering phone calls, taking messages, and directing calls to the appropriate department as well. It may be too soon for professions that require so much human touch to be completely eliminated by ChatGPT, but it's certainly possible in the future. This could lead to a decrease in the need for human receptionists. Number 5. Social media managers. ChatGPT can analyze social media trends and generate content that is relevant to a company's audience. While human social media managers offer a personalized touch, ChatGPT can create content more quickly and efficiently. And it goes much beyond text, as artificial intelligence can also create a lot of interesting images in a very short time frame, and AI-generated videos are just a few years away as well. Number 6. Content writers. ChatGPT is not even the first AI that writes content, and many of its predecessors have already been used to generate content for websites, social media platforms, and other online publications. As the technology continues to advance, it is likely that ChatGPT will be able to generate more complex content, such as news articles, product reviews, and marketing copy. This will almost certainly lead to a decrease in the need for human content writers. At the very least, content creators will be forced to evolve and use ChatGPT as a part of their creative process. It's somewhat strange that everyone thought artificial intelligence would replace blue-collar jobs first, but it's exactly the digital professions that are at risk the most. Number 7. Translators. ChatGPT can translate text from one language to another. While human translators offer more accurate and nuanced translations, ChatGPT can translate text more quickly and efficiently, and most importantly, for many business owners at a much lower price. As ChatGPT continues to improve, it is likely that it will be able to handle more complex translations, such as legal documents and medical reports. Keep in mind that ChatGPT will only get better at this as it continues to learn and grow its capabilities. Number 8. Proofreaders. ChatGPT can detect grammatical errors and spelling mistakes with great effectiveness. As the technology continues to improve, it is likely that ChatGPT will be able to detect more nuanced errors such as style inconsistencies and contextual errors. Since it doesn't suffer from fatigue or distractions, it can do the job almost perfectly. Number 9. Data analysts. ChatGPT can analyze large amounts of data and generate reports based on that data. While human data analysts offer more detailed insights and can identify patterns that a machine might miss, ChatGPT can analyze data quicker and oftentimes with greater precision. It is interesting to see how things will turn out in this field, as data analysts likely won't see their jobs completely done by ChatGPT, but may have to learn to use it as an everyday tool. Number 10. Teachers. Out of all the jobs that can be eliminated by ChatGPT, teaching is probably at the biggest risk. ChatGPT has already been used as a tool for learning pretty much every subject, and it is likely that it will be used in other educational settings as well. While human teachers offer personalized instruction and can adapt to individual students' needs, ChatGPT can provide basic instruction and answer simple questions. And more importantly, it can go through copious amounts of data and extract concise summaries with little, if any, error. While ChatGPT has the potential to replace certain jobs, it is important to note that it cannot completely replace the value of human interaction. Many businesses still value the personal touch that human employees offer. Additionally, ChatGPT is not a perfect replacement for human workers yet, as it cannot handle complex tasks that require critical thinking or emotional intelligence. In conclusion, ChatGPT definitely has the potential to replace certain jobs in various industries. However, it is important to note that it cannot replace the value of human interaction in critical thinking. As ChatGPT continues to evolve, it is likely that more jobs will be replaced by automation, but even more likely, most of the jobs will evolve in such a way that incorporates the use of ChatGPT and other artificial intelligence. It is up to businesses to determine which tasks are better suited for ChatGPT, and which tasks still require humans to perform them better. What are your thoughts on ChatGPT? Let us know in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more futuristic videos. We recommend the video on the most useful robots next.